Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Rhymes of the Times. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I wanted to share some of the beautiful nature that I enjoy here at Middle East University. As you can see behind me, there are a lot of beautiful trees. There are pine trees and jacaranda trees, and it's just a scene that really fills my heart with a lot of joy. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about love. Love has many faces, and I've written a poem entitled The Written Face of Love. You know, in this day of modern technology, a lot of romances are started online, and people send messages to each other and get to know each other in chat rooms, and it's just a different type of connection. So here's a poem called The Written Face of Love. My love for you I carry in my heart, a growing ache, albeit tender, sweet. For from my body you are miles apart, my words like tender kisses sent to greet. Each letter and each thought with love is tied, poetic lines immersed in passion's hue. The secrets of your heart in them confide, my messengers of love sent out to you. Dear heart, be sure to read between the lines. At times a message stronger there you'll find. Wild fantasies encrypted in these signs, my paradise you'll enter with your mind. Who dares to doubt the written face of love has never flown on words to heights above. There's so much power and beauty in the written word. Sometimes you're able to concentrate better and to be able to express yourself. Sometimes you need a quiet place where you can just sit down and let the words go on in your mind and try to find the best words and select the best choice of words to give voice to that profound feeling that you have inside for that special someone. So if you're not adept in using words, try practicing. Spend a little time every day at a desk, you know, pound out on the keys the words that are in your mind, or use a notepad and a pen and try to write down what you're feeling. And you'll see that you'll be able to express yourself possibly in a stronger way than you've ever expressed yourself before. Thank you so much for listening in today to Rhymes of the Times. Hopefully with each program we'll come to appreciate something about poetry a little more. Until next time, take good care of yourself, and I'm sending out lots of love to each one of you. Bye-bye.